October 10th, 2024, down here in North Carolina helping out with storm recovery. This that we're going to drive through is in Swannanoa, North Carolina. It's outside of Asheville. The Indian name, Beautiful River. Keep all these people in your thoughts. Swannanoa, North Carolina. This is a gas station here. They caught probably, I would say, 30, 40 feet of water running downhill from the mountain. You can see all the trees mangled up, debris. There's a dumpster. That gives you a perspective. That house is under the mud. Just unbelievable here. Swannanoa, North Carolina. They had to come through and actually with big equipment. Look at the metal and the trees. All this debris you can see. I'm guessing 30 to 40 feet of water rushed through here. It's unbelievable. I mean, just rolled trees over. The river's still running. I mean, the water would have been over my truck coming through here. It was probably up to that billboard right there. I would imagine that billboard right there was likely underwater. You can see across the street as well, all the dirt, mud, scraped from the roads. I tell you what, even watching a video or seeing this on the news, man, I tell you, it doesn't even seem real or look right unless you see it in person. Here's a car. No telling where that car came from. Water was over top of that bridge. Got an excavator down there. Water was likely over top of that gas station right there. Unbelievable. Tore this road up as well. There's a vehicle down there, a van down there. I don't know, it looks like a mobile home, honestly, with the framework underneath of it. Unbelievable. People are camped out because they've lost their houses and everything down here. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Water and wind, two terrible things. Keep everybody from that Hurricane Helene in your thoughts. This is just outside of Asheville, North Carolina. These people had water in their houses, all their belongings right here. Beds, dressers, every bit of everything they owned. We got the Samaritan's Purse here helping out. This is every bit of everything they own right here. Stuff out in the road. Right Exactly what that is. That was a mobile home. And another truck down in there. Camper over there. Hurricane Helene. We're over in Swannanoa, North Carolina, helping out with storm recovery. Shout out to Chick-fil-A. We'll have to tag them in this video. Chick-fil-A's got it set up in here where you can come through, volunteers, citizens, residents, neighbors, friends, family, just come through. And it's a line that's getting real long. I guess it's 11 to 2 and 2 to 4. It's 2:25 now. This is out of Ingalls, which I'm assuming is probably closed. This place got washed out from the floodwaters coming down the river. Hey, good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Thank y'all.
It's our pleasure.
So where are y'all based out of?
Most of the volunteers are from the Atlanta area.
Okay.
And then the mobile unit, just, you know.
Well, that's where Chick-fil-A originated, right? Atlanta?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Zaxby's.
What?
Is that who? So Atlanta, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good stuff. Thank y'all.
Oh, our pleasure. You take care.
She said, we don't say the Z word.
Free shower, free laundry, free Wi-Fi, Ace parking lot.
Zaxby's has been good too, though. They've been, handing out a bunch of stuff. You got a Bucky shirt on.
What do you know about Buc-ee's?
How do I ask him? Yeah, I think they got, they definitely got, I don't know about the mud, but they definitely got water in there.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
You can tell it looks kind of sandy, like dusty on the floor.
Chick-fil-A supply. Got a mobile kitchen set up out here. It is so awesome. A lot different than your normal Chick-fil-A line. Hey, number one extra pickle?
Number one extra pickle.
We're good on water.
We can hook you up with a pickle.
No,
for sure.
no, we're good on water.
You good on
Yeah,
water?
probably some other people probably need that more, you know.
Okay, well, thank y'all so much for
Yes,
helping.
yes,
This
thank
is
y'all.
great. Yeah. So how many meals can I get you? Oh, sweet
You want to go say hi?
Can I say hi? Oh, hello. You know what? I met your twin this morning named Princess. What's her name?
Tree.
His
Tree. Oh, you are special. Oh,
little free
how
emotional
many meals can I
support.
get y'all?
Thank you.
How many? She said
Oh,
how many meals
so there's
now?
4 with us, and there's people beside us. There's 4, so
8.
So
8 total. Yeah.
Come on down.
All right.
Come on down.
Come on, Tree. Keep her in.
You know, slip and fall.
Sweet Tree.
Just waiting for him to fall out the window.
Oh, gosh.
He's getting braver. He's only a year and a half.
Oh, my goodness. So great.
Yeah.
Wow.
Come up here.
Well, thank y'all so much for responding.
Oh,
We'll get
you're-
you your 8 in just a minute.
Up and over.
It's dusty.
Tree. Up and over. Mama.
See how dusty how the parking lot is. Wow. The first time seeing the Chick-fil-A like mobile kitchen deal.
Hey, isn't it great?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's only 4 trucks that do this.
Wow.
So, and only one is this size. The other ones are really small.
Wow.
So, yeah,
That's
we
awesome.
served about 5,000 people yesterday.
Wow.
And
Yes,
tracking
yes,
on
yes.
that today.
Here you go. We can pass it back.
You want it back here? Or?
They're right here. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet y'all.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you. Thank you.
Chick-fil-A mobile kitchen. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Chick-fil-A. That's awesome. What kind of meal they have? Can grab one and see what it looks like.
8 meals, all with the chicken sandwich and good old fashioned
Lean back
waffle
real quick.
potato chips.
Lean back real quick. There's Billy Graham, old North Carolina boy. What is a bag of the waffle chips? Yeah.
They're waffle chips and a chicken sandwich,
Look at true.
which is enough to put something on someone's stomach.
Yep. Swananoa, North Carolina, Hurricane Helene. There it is right there. I'll get a picture of that. Unbelievable. This is on the high side. They've got laundry set up over here, Red Cross.
Birds with hands.
Looks like they have National Guard over there.
Yeah.
Wow, it is. So in a previous video we'll post, we were kind of lower on the other side of the road, on the back side over here. And unbelievable the destruction, the wind and water. Two terrible things. Appalachian Lives Matter. Cowboy stuff. Gracious.
Gas station. There's cars even inside of
Look at that here.
it. Wow. Wow.
Gracious. Sinkhole right there to watch. Keep North Carolina in your prayers, and Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, Virginia, and Florida, of course, as well. Then they just had Milton come through last night. What a mess. Look at all this mud on the side of the road when they cleared the road. I'm telling you, it was 40 feet mobile homes right here. 40 feet of water. I guarantee every bit of 40 feet of water. Unbelievable.